Assembly instructions for our compact electric sit-stand desk. Connect the two halves of the tabletop together. Insert the wooden dowels into the holes between the two halves, then press the tabletop pieces firmly together until they are fully closed and level with each other. Secure the tabletop halves together using the tabletop connectors, the countersunk bolts, and the provided hex wrench. Install the connectors from the outside ends first, moving inward to the center. Attach the crossbar to the two legs using the provided bolts and hex wrench. Then, attach the side plates to the sides of the legs as shown here. Then, attach the feet to the bottom of the legs. Loosen the knob on the transmission rod, then fully extend the rod. Insert the transmission rod into the leg, making sure that the stopper is fully inserted into the hole on the leg. Insert the large end of the rod into the attachment on the motorized leg. Rotate the knob until it is fully tightened. If the height of the left and right legs do not match, detach the transmission rod from the motorized leg. Rotate the rod to raise or lower the height of the leg. Then, reattach and tighten the rod to the motorized leg. Attach the control panel to the desktop. Align the holes on the frame with the holes on the tabletop, then secure them together using the provided bolts. Connect the cables from the motorized leg to the control panel, then connect the cables from the power adapter to the control panel. Install the cable management clips in the approximate locations as shown here. Turn the desk upright, then insert the grommet cover into the grommet hole. Connect the power adapter to an outlet and the control panel will power on. If necessary, adjust the feet to level the desk.